Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the clock control in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the upper rear access panel. Disconnect the clock control wire connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the old clock control. Prepare the new clock control for installation by transferring the overlay from the old control to the new one, or install a new overlay. When installing a new overlay, remember to peel off the protective cover. Align the new control on the supports and thread the mounting screws. Connect the wire connectors. Realign the access panel by placing the panel tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread and tighten the screws. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.